When it comes to drones, DJI reigns supreme, setting the gold standard for innovation and performance. As drone technology continues to evolve, DJI consistently pushes the boundaries, making it challenging to pinpoint a single best drone. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DJI drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the DJI Air 3, a masterpiece of aerial technology that will elevate your photography and videography game to new heights. This drone, recently crowned as the number 5 best DJI drone, is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a creative companion that invites you to capture the world from unique perspectives. The DJI Air 3 is designed for adventurers and storytellers. Its dual cameras offer creative focal length options, making it perfect for travel photography. With it, you can effortlessly showcase stunning environments and weave captivating narratives through your lens. But it's not just about the visuals, it's about seizing every moment. With an astounding 46 minutes of flight time, a 48% increase compared to its predecessor, the DJI Air 3 lets you capture breathtaking photos without the constant worry of battery life. Safety is paramount, and the Air 3 ensures worry-free flying with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Even in challenging environments like dense forests, this drone provides comprehensive protection. The Air 3's 48 megapixels image capture capability allows for high-quality crops, unveiling remarkable details in your photos. And when it comes to video, it records stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR footage with vibrant colors and lifelike details. With the stable 04 HD transmission, you can enjoy smooth flights and clear, reliable video feeds up to 12 miles away. The DJI Air 3 package includes everything you need for your adventures, and it's priced at $1,099. Discover the DJI Mini 3, the embodiment of freedom and creativity in the palm of your hand. Packed with innovation and emotion, this drone promises to elevate your adventures to new heights. Weighing under 0.5 pounds, the DJI Mini 3 is your perfect travel companion, whether you're hiking through lush forests, embarking on road trips through picturesque landscapes, or basking in the sun on a tranquil beach. With an extended battery life of up to 38 minutes, you'll never have to cut your flights short, capturing every breathtaking moment. What truly sets the Mini 3 apart is its ability to capture stunning imagery in 4K HDR video. Whether it's the vibrant hues of a sunset or the mystery of a moonlit night, this drone ensures every detail shines through. With true vertical shooting, you can effortlessly frame tall landmarks and share them instantly on your favorite social platforms. For those seeking more, the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, extends flight time to 51 minutes. The price of adventure? Just $609. Meet the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a marvel of aerial technology that transcends the boundaries of what's possible. This drone, crowned as the number 3 best DJI drone, is a masterpiece of engineering and creativity, designed to ignite your passion for photography and exploration. At its heart lies the Hasselblad main camera, boasting a 4/3 CMOS sensor with a 20 megapixels resolution. It captures stunning visuals with an impressive dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops, ensuring your photos and videos are nothing short of spectacular. But that's not all. The medium tel camera offers a 48 megapixels sensor with 3x optical zoom, while the tel camera takes it even further with 7x optical zoom and 28x hybrid zoom. This opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to capture intricate details from a distance. Safety is paramount with the Mavic 3 Pro, thanks to omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APS 5.0, giving you peace of mind while flying. With a remarkable 43-minute max flight time, you can explore the skies longer, pushing the limits of your creativity. When it comes to transmission, the DJI O3 Plus technology offers a stable signal over a staggering 9-mile distance, providing you with a seamless view from the sky. Unlock your potential as a drone pilot and photographer with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, priced at $2,199, and elevate your aerial adventures to new heights. Introducing the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a masterpiece in the world of drones. It's not just a gadget, it's your ticket to capturing life's most beautiful moments with unmatched emotion. Weighing under 0.5 pounds, it offers carefree creation, circumventing the need for registration in most regions. Its foldable compact design is your perfect travel companion, ready for any adventure. But what truly sets the Mini 3 Pro apart is its ability to transform your world into a canvas of awe. With 4K 60 FPS video and 48 megapixels photos, it captures every detail, whether in the radiant daylight or the mystic night. Dual native ISO and an f1.7 aperture ensure exceptional image quality in all conditions. Experience perfect portraits with a simple tap, thanks to true vertical shooting. The gimbal's 90-degree rotation means you never compromise on image quality. And with up to 34 minutes of flight time, you can explore without limits. Safety is paramount with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APS 4.0. Plus, enjoy an array of intelligent features for seamless creativity on the go. Priced at $909, this drone stands as the second best in DJI's prestigious lineup. Say hello to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the ultimate companion for adventurers and aerial enthusiasts. Packed with features that elevate your drone experience, it's no wonder this is the #1 choice among DJI drones. The Mini 4 Pro weighs in at just under 0.5 pounds, allowing you to travel light without the need for registration, so you can soar through the skies without any hassle. Capture breathtaking moments in stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR, showcasing the beauty of sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with unparalleled clarity. No need for post-editing. Your footage is ready to share straight out of the camera. Safety is paramount with the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology. Whether you're a novice or a pro, you can fly with confidence, knowing the drone will detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. Extended battery life ensures uninterrupted flights, so you can explore vast landscapes without the fear of running out of power. And with a 20 km FHD video transmission range, you'll experience lag-free, real-time aerial views that will leave you in awe. Even if you're new to drones, the Mini 4 Pro's Active Track 360 degrees makes tracking and capturing smooth videos effortless. The package includes everything you need, from the Mini 4 Pro itself to the remote controller, ensuring a seamless and immersive experience. Don't miss out on this incredible journey. Elevate your drone game with the DJI Mini 4 Pro for just $759. Capture memories that will last a lifetime and embark on adventures like never before. Fly high, fly free with DJI. Thank you for tuning in to today's Tech-tastic journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. In the fast-evolving world of technology, staying up to date is essential, and we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just getting started, our channel is your go-to source for the latest reviews, tutorials, and insightful insights. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community.